Hey viewers, myself Somesha from MATLAB Helper, and in this video we are going to check out an audio transformation that will make you sound like someone very famous. With that, let's continue to the fun with MATLAB series. L, a name that all anime lovers would never forget. His intelligence is non-parallel to anyone except Kira. However, my favorite part is where L addresses the worldwide assembly in a mysterious voice transformation. I hope many others loved that too. For receiving the result, we need two audio transformations to work together. One is pitch shift and the other is audio addition. The first obvious step would be to import the audio file with the function audio read into the script. Let's check the audio file first by playing it. Fs is the sampling frequency, by the way.
There is no heaven or hell. No matter what you do while you're alive, everybody goes to the same place once you die. Death is equal.
Yeah, that's a strong dialogue from the same series. We need to shift the pitch of the voice up, and for that, we use the function shift pitch, taking the audio and n semitones as parameters. Remember, the value of n semitones determines the heaviness of the voice. Lower value means lower pitch, and the same trend continues for the pitched up version. Let's hear it as well.
There is no heaven or hell. No matter what you do while you're alive, everybody goes to the same place once you die. Death is equal.
Now turn for the next. Okay, adding some extra information. You can achieve pitch shifting just by varying the sampling rate, which determines how fast it should be played. But doing so will also stretch or contract the time that will make the audio go out of sync, in simple terms. And we don't want that. Shift pitch function takes care that the time is conserved while shifting the pitch of the audio file, so that even after the operation, the audio will play for the same time. With that being said, let's play this as well.
There is no heaven or hell. No matter what you do while you're alive, everybody goes to the same place once you die. Death is equal.
In the last step, add all the versions together. Don't forget to include the original version as well. And let's hear the results now.
There is no heaven or hell. No matter what you do while you're alive, everybody goes to the same place once you die. Death is equal.
There we have the voice L used. And now you can too. Boast your intelligence to your friends and let me know how it went in the comment section. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any questions, post them in the comments or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future. MATLAB is our feature. Happy MATLABing!